In this video, we will teach you how to change the language in Poppy Playtime 2. So let's get to it. In this method, we are going to focus on those users who have downloaded the game through the Epic Games launcher, since on some occasions, this game does not allow the language change even if you configure it from the internal settings of the game. So for this, we will have to go directly to our library, and once we are here, we will have to locate our game. In this case, we have the basic version that contains chapters 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, what we have to do is right-click on the game image and enter the Manage option. At this point, several options will open that we will have to verify are configured correctly. For example, automatic updates have to be active, and the other element that must be active is the one that allows us to start the game with some additional configurations. So if you have it this way, you will have to flip the switch to the right until it turns green. At this point, we are going to write the word language equals, and we will write the code for the language we want to configure. In this case, our game is in Spanish, since that is the abbreviation or the code for this language. And if we want to change it to English, it will be enough to write the letters N in lowercase and leave it like that. Depending on the version of the game you have, and in some cases, putting this configuration is not enough. So you will have to write this configuration first and test if your game is already in the language you want. In case it does not work, then you will have to try this other configuration specifically for the English language. You will have to write N in lowercase, then write a hyphen, and in uppercase, you will have to write US. Then you will have to test again if the language has already changed to the English language, and in the last case, that it does not work. Depending also on the server where you are connected, it will be UK English or British English. To configure this English, it will involve writing EN in lowercase, then a hyphen, and you will have to try the GB configuration. And if it does not work for you, you will have to write EN in lowercase, then a hyphen, and finally GB in uppercase. These are all the possible configurations you can use if you want to configure your game in the English language. So you will have to test which one works best for you, as this is going to depend on the server where you are connected and the version of the game you currently have. And that is as far as our video goes this time. We hope it has been useful for you. If it was, give us a comment, a like, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification bell so you do not miss any of the next videos we will bring for you. Until next time,